Welcome to Masters of History. This is the series where we dive deep into the lives and legacies of some of the most influential figures throughout the ages. Our master is Isaac Newton. Isaac Newton was an English mathematician, physicist, astronomer, and author who made significant contributions to science and mathematics. He is one of the most influential scientists in history and played a central role in the scientific revolution. This report provides an in-depth look at his life, major contributions, and enduring legacy. Isaac Newton was born on January 4, 1643, in Woolsthorpe, Lincolnshire, England. His father, also named Isaac, passed away 3 months before his birth, leaving his mother, Hannah Ayscough, to raise him. Newton attended the King's School in Grantham before going on to study at Trinity College, Cambridge, in 1661. He excelled in his studies, particularly in mathematics and natural philosophy. Newton's family was affected by the English Civil War, which had a significant impact on the country's stability. As a child, Newton was known to be quiet, introspective, and inquisitive. After his father's death and his mother's subsequent remarriage, Newton was sent to live with his grandmother. This separation from his mother during his formative years may have influenced his independent and self-reliant nature. Newton shared in major contributions as: in mathematics, Newton made substantial contributions to mathematics, particularly in the development of calculus. He independently discovered the principles of differential and integral calculus around the same time as German mathematician Gottfried Wilhelm Leibniz. The two engaged in a long and bitter dispute over who should be credited with its discovery. Newton worked extensively with infinite series and made significant progress in developing the theory of interpolation, which has applications in mathematical analysis and numerical methods. In physics, Newton's most significant work in physics is encapsulated in his book Philosophiae Naturalis Principia Mathematica, Mathematical Principles of Natural Philosophy, published in 1687. In this work, he formulated the 3 laws of motion and the law of universal gravitation, which became the foundation of classical mechanics. In optics, Newton's work in optics was groundbreaking. He conducted experiments with prisms and showed that white light is composed of a spectrum of colors. He also designed the first practical reflecting telescope, known as the Newtonian telescope. In astronomy, Newton's law of universal gravitation had a profound impact on astronomy. It explained the orbits of planets and laid the groundwork for a better understanding of celestial mechanics. Newton's work had a profound impact on other scientists and thinkers. His laws of motion and universal gravitation influenced astronomers such as Edmund Halley and Johannes Kepler. Although Albert Einstein's theory of relativity superseded some of Newton's ideas, Newton's work provided the foundation upon which modern physics is built. Newton held prominent positions throughout his life, including the Lucasian Chair of Mathematics at Cambridge University and Master of the Royal Mint. He held various public offices, including serving as a Member of Parliament and as Master of the Royal Mint, where he worked on combating counterfeiting and recoinage. In addition to his work in mathematics and physics, Newton delved into the field of chronology, attempting to establish a timeline of historical events based on his interpretation of the Bible and other historical records. Newton never married and had no known children. His relationships with family members were sometimes strained, particularly with his mother and stepfather. Newton's intense curiosity and determination were evident from a young age. His approach to solving problems was meticulous and patient, often spending years on a single issue until he found a satisfactory solution. Newton's ability to concentrate deeply on his work, often to the exclusion of other aspects of life, allowed him to focus intensely on his research and make significant breakthroughs. Despite his genius, Newton's personality was complex. He could be reclusive and secretive, but he also had moments of warmth and generosity. His relationships with colleagues were sometimes strained due to his intense competitive nature. Newton was involved in several priority disputes with other scientists, including Leibniz over calculus and Hooke over gravity. These disputes sometimes cast a shadow over his scientific achievements. Newton's relationship with Robert Hooke, a contemporary scientist, was complicated. Hooke accused Newton of plagiarism regarding the law of universal gravitation, and the two had a contentious relationship. Newton's legacy extends beyond the realms of science and mathematics. His contributions have been honored in various ways, such as institutions and awards established in his honor, including the Isaac Newton Institute for Mathematical Sciences and the Newton Medal. His work continues to influence modern science and technology. His ideas have been instrumental in the development of engineering, space exploration, and even economics. His principles of physics and mathematics form the basis of modern education in these fields and are studied in schools and universities worldwide. Isaac Newton's impact on the world of science and mathematics is immeasurable. His insights into motion, gravitation, and light transformed our understanding of the natural world and laid the groundwork for centuries of scientific progress. His meticulous approach to research, willingness to challenge established norms, and insatiable curiosity have left an enduring legacy that continues to shape the future of science and technology. Newton's life and work continue to captivate and inspire people around the world. His discoveries in mathematics, physics, optics, and other fields have left an indelible mark on science and technology. His legacy as a pioneering scientist and visionary thinker endures, and his influence will continue to shape the future for generations to come. Thank you for joining us on this journey through history. If you found this video informative, sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Let us know your thoughts on Newton's legacy in the comments below.